Hello, my name is Kalina, and in today's tutorial, we will learn how to set up registration-based invitations to an agreement before potential clients have access to the LyfQuest system. So subscribers can invite potential clients to register on the private client system by sending them a welcome invitation, giving them the opportunity to opt into the private client system. So during the registration process, after putting in their unique password, the potential client is presented with an opt-in agreement that outlines the contractual agreement, financial obligation, and the need for opting into the agreement at that time. Access to the system is only granted after the payment is processed. This approach ensures that all terms are clear from the start. So to set up the registration system for potential clients, it is recommended to create a test client first to ensure your communication is clear, the expectations and responsibilities are visible and communicated exactly as desired. So to add a new potential client with the presented contractual agreement, simply go to the Clients tab in the dashboard and click Add. To create the new client profile, the pop-up window opens. You'll enter the potential client's contact information along with their email. You'll scroll down and select the program or service they are being administered or given access to. Underneath the sign up paywall, select require payment during sign up. Please make note that if you do not have payments configured in settings here, the initial invoice will not be created when your client creates their account. Here, enter the payment amount and the invoice description and the contractual agreement in the additional optional field here. Once the client information is completed and saved, the email invitation will be sent outlining all of the requirements. To access the LyfQuest system, the client must complete the registration and invoice that will appear in front of them in order to opt into the system. This means that they will need to provide payment information and complete the registration process before being granted access to the system. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to support@lyfquest.io. Thank you for watching and take care.